Yo, so guys, it's me Wolfie, back at it again with another video, and today is a special one because I just got this bike. I know it's not my type of bikes, but it just came in at a great deal and then I couldn't pass it. Anyways, it's a 2022 Indian FTR. It's brand new. Like, let me show you. Let's see here. The total mileage is 53 kilometers. I don't know how much that is in miles, but it's basically brand new. I just got it and then went and got it filled and then got back home and then I got it out. Anyways, like, it's a whole new riding style to me because, you know, it's not like the naked and it's also not like the super sports. It's kind of new to me, but one thing, this thing I enjoy so much. Like, I didn't imagine that I'll enjoy this bike as much as I do right now. You know, I always thought, yeah, they're cool, but I'll never own one because like they're not cheap and you know, it's not my style. But you never know until you try it. So I hopped on it, tried it, I really liked it, and then I got it. I got it for a pretty good deal. But anyways, it has 1203 cc's V-twin, 120 I think crank horsepower, and I don't know, I forgot the torque. But one thing I'll say, when I'm like on third, fourth, fifth gear and I twist the throttle, I instantly get torque. It jumps, it pushes me back. So like, I'm new to this because I've always had an inline four where you don't get this much torque in like the higher gears unless you're at a higher RPM. But anyways, it's a fun bike. Let's go for a ride and see how it rides. Another thing, these brakes are so good. I think it has the RCS 17. I'm not sure about that, but anyways, steel braided brake lines, Brembo brakes, front and back, 320 millimeters. It's a pretty good setup. The brake feel that I get out of this makes me want to get an RCS 17 to my CBR because I have the steel braided brake lines on my CBR, but I want to get the black ones because mine are blue. I'm not sure if I can paint them though, so we'll see how it goes. Anyways, let's hop in. You know, it has a stock exhaust that like, it's kind of lame, you know, sounds like a, I don't know, vacuum cleaner or something. But I'm not sure if I want to get an exhaust or not, because like the slip-ons are not cheap. Oh, another thing, the bike weight, I think it weighs 220 kilos. I don't know how much that is in pounds, but you know, going around you don't feel it at all. Like, this thing is smooth, you know, and like the tires that are on it, they feel great. They give you grip, they give you confidence. But I'm not used to that weight because of the CBR, so when I push it around it's kind of heavy. So yeah, it feels great. Fifth gear, I switch the throttle and then it goes, you know. It has like a decent, it has a good amount of engine braking. It's not like where it pushes you off the bike. It's good enough. Anyways, I think we're gonna wait here for a bit. So, do I have any plans for this? No, because it was out of nowhere. But I don't know, we'll see how it goes. Like, if I got a good deal on it, I might sell it. Or if I see something cool that I want to do with it, I'll probably do it. But at the moment, no. Like, I'll probably just keep stock. I don't know, probably an exhaust, but as I said, like, it's kind of expensive for a slip-on. I think it's $750 for a slip-on, but it's gonna make it sound great. This is 2022, so it has the updated version. I think they updated it on 2021. It has a feature where like it disables one cylinder, so you know it can't manage the heat. I don't really notice a difference, but it is there. It has ABS, cruise control, which is great, by the way. Like, I've never had a bike with a cruise control. It feels good, and the suspension, like, the suspension feels great. It goes over the bumps smoothly, but also like gives you enough feedback on the road when you need it to. So yeah, all around, like, it's a great bike. But would I have bought it for the MSRP? I don't think so. All right, let's go. And the gearing, or like the transmission, is super smooth on the bike. Like, when I shift gears, so smooth, you know. Like I thought this style of bikes would be like, I don't know, I thought like it would be harder or something on the transmission, but it's super smooth. Like even when I click it into first gear, it's smoother than my CBR. I guess that's because that's a brand new bike and the other one like is an 08. Another traffic light. See the brakes, like they stop you so fast, and they provide like good feedback. Sorry, not sorry. What is this truck doing here? He's so big. See, now it activated the single cylinder mode. One thing I've noticed, like I didn't ride it a lot, but I've noticed like the gas tank is not big enough for the engine. So I just rode it for like probably, I don't know, 35 kilos. Like it was full, now it's half. So that's kind of a bummer. But I guess if you plan on making this like a long distance bike, you gotta have extra fuel and all. It also have the, I don't know, kinda cover or something near the radiator, which I guess like directs the air into the radiator. And one thing I'll mention, you do feel the heat more than the 600. I guess that's because this is 1200 and it has a V-twin, so that's why. But it's not to the point where you can't bear it. Probably in the summer it will annoy you, but right now it's cool. And one thing I've noticed, like the mirrors don't shake as I thought like they would, because it has a V-twin. So they do shake, but it's not to the point where you can bear it, you know. You can clearly see through them. Sounds cool, you know, when it's diesel. See, like it's punchy. You just ask for it and it instantly gives you the power. So that thing I really like about it. As I said, the weight, you don't really feel it. I don't know, I'll probably do a road trip with it to see how good it performs in road trips, because I don't really know what to do with it. I really enjoy my let's stop here. Yeah, I really enjoy my 600. I ride it daily and I really enjoy it, and this one too, but you know, it doesn't have an exhaust. My 600 has an exhaust. It's an inline 4, so it sounds so good. I think I need to clean it, because this matte color, if it got scratched, you can't, like, even if you polish it, it won't buff out. But that's a cool thing, like the swing arm. It's a steel tubular, I don't know, kind of design, which is cool, but I don't think that helps with the weight. You know, it looks cool, but I don't know, like I actually have no idea what to do with it. So yeah, I know this was a quick one, but I just wanted sorry, I just wanted you to stay updated on the channel, like what's new and all. If you have any ideas for it, just comment down below. Like I'd be more than happy to listen to y'all. So yeah, I guess that's it. If you enjoyed it, drop a like, subscribe, and see you later. Ooh, is that a Supra?